Good morning students, I am Farman Ali and today I have to discuss chapter 8, that is adverbs. So it is one of the part of speech in English. So it plays an important role in sentences. So you can easily judge by the word also that add plus verb. So it means that it is adding something to the verbs which are in the sentence. So you can know by the definition also which is written here, a word that modifies the meaning of a verbs and adjectives or another adverbs. So it means that it is making changes in the meaning of the verb also. Verb में भी changes होता है meaning पे, एडवर्ब्स में भी होता है आपका, एंड एडवर्ब के अंदर भी एडवर्ब कुछ ना कुछ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन या चेंजेस करता है आपका. सो इट मीन्स दैट इट इज़ मेकिंग चेंजेस इन थ्री थिंग्स. वन इज एडवर्ब, adjective and adverbs also. So you can see the example here that you sit quietly. So you can see that the verb is sit here. So that how you have to sit. So they are talking about the way you have to sit. So you have to sit quietly here. So quietly is a adverb here because it is telling about the verb. Okay, means it is adding something that you have to sit quietly. Second option you can, or the example you can see that I never come late. So here you can see the blue one, that is adverb. So here they are talking about that late. So that come is a verb here, but it is telling this thing that if somebody comes late, if never comes late, so it means that they are talking about the verb here. Now come to the kinds of adverb here. So there are different kinds of adverbs which are divided according to the condition, that which role does it play in the sentence. तो क्या रोल आपका कोई adverb play करता है, on that basis they have divided it into the few parts, or we can say the many parts here. So these are the parts which are given in the green color. So one is adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of time, adverbs of degree, relative adverbs, interrogative adverbs. So these suffixes or the prefixes are already telling this thing, that the manner. If I talk about the adverb of manner, so what it is telling? So it is telling this thing that how the action takes place. So it means that whatever the condition or whatever the things which are happening because of a verb, so it is performing the role of a manner here. Means we are talking about a situation or the condition which are existed in the sentence. So if you want to understand that which kind of adverb is it, so if there is any sentence which is given, तो आपको करना क्या है, you have to make a question, you have to put up a question on the basis of that statement which is given. So you can just see here that he runs fast. So वो दौड़ता तो है, बट हाउ ही रन्स, सो ही रन्स फास्ट, तो वो तेज़ दौड़ता है. सो इट मीन्स दैट दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द वर्ब दैट इज़ रन. सो दे आर टेलिंग दिस थिंग दैट रन्स फास्ट. तो वो दौड़ रहा है, वो कैसे दौड़ रहा है, फास्ट दौड़ रहा है आपका. सो नाउ यू कैन मेक अ क्वेश्चन दैट इज इट अ एडवर्ब मैनर और नॉट, लाइक दैट हाउ ही रन्स. हाँ, तो आप ये देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे मैनर की बात हो रही है, आपको कैसे दौड़ता है. सो ही रन्स फास्ट हियर. So now come to the second, that is adverb of place. So adverb place is telling this thing that any place of action and answer the question where. So you can easily understand if we talk about place. अगर हम जगह की बात करते हैं, so it means question will be made from where. As we have seen in the determinants chapter, कि we use where when we are talking about any place. अगर हम जगह के बारे में कोई बात करते हैं आपका, so in that case we have to use question word, that is where. So it tells about that where did the action take place. तो एक्शन कहाँ पर हुआ आपका, सो दे आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट, तो उसके बारे में बात होती है. जैसे आप यहाँ एग्जांपल देखें, द गर्ल्स वेंट आउट टू प्ले गेम. सो व्हाट दे आर टेलिंग, that they have gone to play game, but where, so outside. तो ये बाहर गए हैं आपका, तो they are talking about the place. तो जगह के बारे में बात हो रही है कि that they went out, तो वो बाहर गए हैं आपका गेम खेलने गए. You can see second also that they came here. तो आए तो हैं आपका, लेकिन they are talking about a place that they have come here, वो यहाँ पर आपके आए हैं आप. So this is the thing which you have to just understand. Now come to the second part, so that is third part, so that is adverb of frequency. So adverb frequency is telling that frequency means that how many times or any action is taking place in a sentence. So if anything happens many times or several times, so what is the label of it? It means we are talking about the adverb of time here. So you can see the example also that if we can make a question that how often, it means that we are talking about the frequency here. So I am very happy. So somebody is happy. मैं बहुत खुश हूँ आपका, लेकिन अगर मैं ये भी कह सकता था that I am happy. So happy is adjective here है ना, जैसे हमने डेफिनेशन में देखा था कि that it adds something to the adjective also. तो यहाँ adjective आपका happy है. So it is adding something to the happy means that I am very happy. तो खुश तो है लेकिन वो बहुत खुश है आपका. Now you can see the second example, that is Anu always helps me. So Anu helps तो करती है आपका, so but they are talking about the frequency here, so it means always आपका. So always is performing the role of adverbs of frequency, so it is adverb here. Now come to the fourth, that is adverbs of time. So time means that we have to make a question by when. Whenever anything which come in a sentence regarding time, so it means that we have to make a question with when. So you can see the example here. I get up early in the morning. So everybody knows that everybody gets up, है ना, हर कोई उठता है, लेकिन if we say that I get up late, I get up early, so it means that we are talking about time. I get up uh, at 11 o'clock, so it means that we are talking about time here. Now come to the adverbs of degree. So degree means it is telling about the intensity. Intensity means the range. So if it adds something regarding the action, so we have to just look in this also, that it is making change in the adjective also, verb also, adverb also. Now you can see that I often help the poor. Second example आप देख सकते हैं, I often help the poor. So they are talking about the degree here, that I always, yeah, often helps the poor. So sometimes we get confused also in the adverb of frequency and the adverb of degree also. So make this thing that there are some words which are very common in these two cases. Now come to the relative adverb. So relative means that which develops relationship, and जो कोई भी आपका word जो relation को कहीं ना कहीं दिखाता है आपका, means there are two things which are joined, means that word is playing the role of relative adverbs here. So there are many examples of it, that you can see this example, that I don't know why she is angry with me. So there are two sentences here, I don't know, and second sentence is she is angry with me. Now what they are doing here, they are just showing the relation here, that why she is angry with me, so I have no idea of it. तो मैं यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं रीज़न के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ आपका, that's why I am using why here. Clear? Now you can take the another also, I will come whenever I have time here. So there are two sentences, I will come and I have time, so these are joined by the relative adverb, that is whenever. So whenever is the adverb here. So मैं आऊँगा बट अगर टाइम होता है मेरे पास तो आपका, तो यहाँ पे रिलेशन को जोड़ा गया है क्या, that condition is that he will come only that if he will have a time to meet you. Clear? I hope that things are cleared. So if you have any kind of confusion, so you can ask me in the class. Goodbye.